This is a weight-based dose example. In our example, the physician orders 15 milliliters for a child who weighs 45 pounds. The label states that there are 12 milligrams of the codeine per 5 milliliters, so that is the dosage strength. And the safe dose is between 0.5 and 1 milligram per kilogram per dose. The dose ordered is every 4 to 6 hours, and the normal or safe amount is every 4 to 6 hours. So I really don't have to worry about the timing in this problem. We're asked the question if the physician's order is suitable for the child. So I want to look at what is safe for the child and then compare it to the physician's order. When I look at the safe dose, it's per kilogram. So I'm going to start by taking the 45 pounds and converting that over to kilograms. So 45 pounds for one child, 2.2 pounds is the same as 1 kilogram. That'll allow me to cancel my label of pounds. Typically, kilograms is rounded to the nearest tenth, and so this comes out as 20.5 kilograms. Next, I want to look at what is safe for the child. When I'm looking at what is safe, there is the low end, and the low end of the range is to give 1/2 milligram per kilogram of the codeine. So I'll multiply that by the child's weight, which I converted, so times 20.5 kilograms, putting that over 1 as a placeholder. And I come up with 10.25 milligrams per dose. And then I want to look at the high end of the range. The high end is easy here, so 1 milligram per kilogram per dose. And 1's always a great number to work with, so times the 20.5 kilograms. And I don't even have to go to my calculator. I know that 1 times 20.5 will be 20.5 milligrams per dose. Now be very careful with the labels. The order is in milliliters, but the safe range is in milligrams. So those are not like labels, and I cannot make a decision yet. Because even though 15 is between 10 and 20, 15 is in a different label, so it's a totally different quantity. I want to know what the order is in milligrams so that I can make the comparison. So the order is 15 milliliters, but I need to know how much medication is in that. And so I'm going to use the strength of the medication. It told me in the problem there are 12 milligrams per 5 milliliters. And so that'll allow me to convert what was ordered over to the same label that I have with my safe range. So do the math here. 15 times 12 divide by 5, and I come out with 36 milligrams of the medication in the order. And when I look at 36 compared with the range that I found that is safe, this is way too high. So my conclusion, is this suitable? The answer is no. And the order is above the safe range. In reviewing this problem, the key thing for me to pick up on that is different from previous problems is to make sure that when I look at the order and I look at the safe range, I compare like units. So that's why I cannot compare with the 15 milliliters. I can use the dosage strength with the med to change the milliliters into milligrams, and then I can make a correct decision.